This tutorial will show you how to create an APA citation for a book. Let's get started. The parts of the citation are author or authors, date, name of the book, city and state of publication, and the publisher. Let's take a closer look at these parts. In APA, you form the author by listing the last name, followed by the author's initials. What you will notice is that there is a space between the initials. After the author's name, we'll articulate the date and then the name of the book. You will notice that the name of the book is italicized and the first word is capitalized and the proper noun is capitalized, but all the other words within the title are not capitalized. We end the title of the book with a period. Afterwards, we identify the city and state of publication. Note that the state of publication, there are not periods after the states. This is followed by a colon and then the name of the publisher. As another example, here's an example of a book with two authors. With two authors, you'll list the authors and then you'll separate them by an ampersand. I actually made a small goof and there should be a comma after the second D. Once you've articulated the authors, you'll put the date of publication and then the name of the book, italicized, and in this one we don't have a proper noun, so we're only going to capitalize the first word. Following this book has a number of editions, so we'll want to make sure that the edition that we utilized in our paper is articulated. So in this case it is the 5th edition. So one thing to note when articulating the 5th edition, sometimes when you type this in it'll try to do the 5 and then tiny th. You'll want to make sure that you remove the superscript and make sure that the th is in line. After the ed you'll have a period, close parentheses, and another period. Following this we'll have the city and the state of publication. Again, the state does not have periods after the abbreviation. We'll have a colon and then we'll list the name of the publisher. That's a very brief coverage of how to cite a book in APA format. If you have any additional questions about citing a book in APA, stop by the library's reference desk. We're located on the first floor of the Greg Graniteville Library. You can also find us on the web at library.usca.edu. Thanks for listening.